I'm sure you've heard the news. Black holes smash together. But did you know that smash makes a sound? Here's how. Imagine two gigantic invisible whirlpools, each more massive than the sun, spiraling toward each other. As they dance, space-time itself ripples. Those ripples are gravitational waves. LIGO Virgo catch those wiggles and translate them into audio. At first it's a low rumble, then a rising chirp as the pair speeds up. Faster, tighter, louder, until they merge in a final glorious pop we call the ring down. That whole event took place billions of years ago, but the sound reaches us now, like a cosmic heartbeat. So yeah, black holes don't hum quietly. They give us one of the universe's coolest soundtracks. Want to hear one? Search Black Hole Chirp and get ready to be awed.